In this video, I will show you how to customize your lock style in the lock screen on Samsung phone. First, you need to install the Good Lock app. You can install it from the Galaxy Store. Then open Good Lock and go to ClockFace. Make sure to download it first. Then you can see here a lot of custom clock styles and you can choose between one of them. Click on the one that you want to apply and then click again. And then go to style and swipe to the right until you see the one that you want to apply and click on it. Also, you can adjust its place and size. That's it. Follow for more Samsung tips.